Buck?
All rocks tell a tale. Where we've been and where we're heading. That, however, is a turd.
Julian, I want you to know that if we don't make it, if we never get married, you were the only one for me.
Hey, come on. Of course we'll make it, and we will get married.
But maybe it's the universe telling us we won't.
Whoa. You're gonna let one tiny little 300-mile wide asteroid ruin your plans?
How can we think about our future when we may not have one?
Hey, we're gonna stop this thing, and you'll get married. Bada bing, bada boom. Well, not boom. Forget I said boom. I know! I'll be your wedding planner. It'll take your mind off all this end-of-the-world stuff.
Well, actually, we were just gonna wing it. Keep it low-key.
What? Peaches, sweetheart, you don't just wing the happiest day of your life. No, you seize it, and you cherish it. You strangle it with good intentions. Ooh, let's start with your hair. Updo with a top bun, traditional, or updo with a fishtail braid, flirtatious. But maybe a little trashy. Ugh. And garter belts. Today, Ed is modeling laced daisies, while Crash is rocking a more elegant ivy that's all about the calves. Ooh, we need a seating chart. The singles table, the kids table, the weird relatives table, the smelly table, two more smelly tables.
Look at him.
Oh, you're gonna love it.
Who walks like that? Oh, look at me. I'm Julian. Forget the asteroid and give me a hug, bro, Dad. Look at that pretty bird there.
Yeah, that is a pretty bird. Good eye, Manny.
Yeah. The sky is literally falling, and she thinks we're just gonna let her stroll into the wilderness with Mr. No Plans Bouncy Walk.
Stop picking on him.
Come on, Elle. You're not still mad at me, are you?
No, I'm not still mad, because that's not how I want to spend what could be our final days together. But if we somehow survive that planet-killing hunk of space rock, you're in for it.
If we survive, we lose our daughter.
Well, I've been thinking about that too. What if...
Ooh, I know! We destroy the relationship, right? That way we never have to let her go, and she'll just stay our little girl forever!
No, you psychopath! What if we convince them to stay near us?
Oh, that's better! I like it. But how?
The way we always get her to do what we want. We make her think it's her idea.
You sneaky, sneaky minx.
Let's just hope we haven't lost our touch.
Found it! Behold, mammals, a sneak preview of the asteroid to come. A space rock, fresh from the cosmos. I taste iron, carbon, oh, and a hint of nickel. Oh, space tastes lonely.
Hey, look! I found another one! Me too! way! Yours is attracted to me!
No, yours is attracted to me. Oh, we're just too attractive.
Stupendous. Now we have something to play with during our final hours.
You're missing the point, Tiger. They're magnets. And if these space rocks are magnetic, so is that. This can only mean one thing.
And that would be...
Allow me.
Whoa! Where are we?
You are in my brain.
Kinda chilly.
Gentlemen, here's what we know. Space rocks, magnetic. Asteroid, also magnetic.
Famed astrophysicist Neil deBuck Weasel. He knows the cosmos.
Ipso facto, thusly and ergo, the crash site must have a heap of these things attracting the asteroid.
Ooh, Pythagorus, Buck. He's got the right angle.
What if we use the magnets to attract the asteroid somewhere else, as in not towards Earth?
Theoretically speaking, if we can launch enough of these into space, they will pull the asteroid off course.
Thus saving the world.
So we just need to go to the crash site and launch a bunch of rocks into space. That's easy, right?
Oh, yeah. Sounds like a real piece of cake.
This is progress. Now we know exactly what we don't know how to do. Vamonos, mammals. This trail will take us directly to the crash site.